Alright guys, let's see if my piece came in today. There it is. Box number 21P. There it is. Hex, yeah. And then of course bills. There we go. Alright guys, let's do this unboxing. I ordered my Mugen FK8 push start button. The only place that is authorized to sell Mugen parts in the United States is King MotorSports. So shout out to King MotorSports, amazing freaking company. If you don't know who Mugen is, then I don't think you know who Honda is. Let's get this thing open. Official invoice from King Motorsports Unlimited. Nice. Ooh, I get some decals. So if you don't know already, my route that I'm going for this build is preferably all Mugen. So King Motorsports, if you get this, please start coming out with more things for the FK8. I only see the front garnish. That's about it. Please come out with that concept kit. Here it is, nicely packaged. And there you have it. I don't know if you can see very well, but there it goes. Beautiful. On and off, quick. Mugen. Alright, so next time you see this is hopefully we have it installed. Alright guys, I know I would say that I would show the next step would be when this thing is installed, but I wanted to show you guys, since I only see one video on YouTube showing how to put it in. A lot of people mentioned that you don't need to take off the lower radio, the upper radio. But it is a lot easier that way. I tried every little thing to do to try and get it without, you know, taking just this bottom panel off and then just trying to pry this one off. But it's so tight in there just to get to this little clip right here. So the button sits in there like this, and then you have to pry it with this button. You can get to this side with your finger, but I used a little poker, little stick. Just push this, and then it popped right out. Boom. So now all you have to do is just plug this back in to this, put the radio, or you could put this piece back on, then put the carbon fiber piece, which is right here. You got your little carbon fiber trim, fake carbon fiber. Let me not make it seem like it's real carbon fiber, but the fake carbon fiber trim. Go put it right here, put the radio back in. There's 2 screws on the bottom. I'll show you that next. So after this, you'll see the radio put back in or ready to put the screws back in. All right. Okay, so this is how the button looks installed. All I did was just push this back in. You'll hear it click in good. You hear this thing, the carbon fiber trim click in. The radio, just push it in, and then you'll see down in there, you'll see 1 and 2. You'll put those screws in. So those screw right here, put those in, call it a day. Make sure to clip on the cannon plugs on the bottom. And then this thing I didn't disconnect from the back. You put that on, click it back that on, and then you put the trim all back, and then you'll see the final results in a little bit. Okay, so there you have it. Everything's nicely put back together. Boom, the trim is all good, radio's intact. Now let's give it a good startup. So pushing the clutch, it turns on like that. And it should turn red. Okay. Everything checks good. Radio still works. I don't know if it's gonna ask me for a code. Nope. And there you guys have it. Thank you, King MotorSports, for this amazing piece, official Mugen piece, the first step into building this beauty. All right, until the next piece. As a matter of fact, today we're picking up some suspension, so stay tuned for that. You can guess what kind of suspension I'm going with, and if you already know, please don't comment below. Thank you.